Five little ducklings love to play, splashing happily all the day. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come here!" But only four ducklings did come. Four little ducklings went to roam, waddling far away from home. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come near!" But only three ducklings did appear. Three little ducklings chased a bee, buzzing by the big oak tree. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come quick!" But only two ducklings did come quick. Two little ducklings went to hide, playing near the riverside. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come back!" But only one duckling did come back. One little duckling went to explore, looking near the sandy shore. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come home!" But no ducklings could be seen to come. Sad Mama duck went searching round, calling loudly, "Quack, quack" sound. Then all five ducklings heard her call and waddled home, one